Hi there, this is Jackie from Inky Antics, and I'm here with the revealing oval die from our Crafty Cuts collection, which looks like this. It comes in two pieces on a magnetic backing, the oval part and the half moon indent on a rectangle. In the package, you'll also receive this die positioning template. And mine is printed on white cardstock just for demo purposes because it's easier to see in the video and in the instructions on our website. But yours is going to be on a piece of clear plastic overlay, which is more durable and easy to wipe clean. So to prepare this die positioning template, what we're going to do first is cut out along the bold lines, and you can see that I've done that here. Then the second thing I want to do to prepare it is to take my oval die, and I'm going to turn it over so the ridge is face down. What I want to do is cut out that red oval. So to do that, I'm going to look at the little holes and look for the black lines through the holes. That's how I know that my oval is centered exactly over. And I'll run it through the die cutting machine just like this in between my plates. And this is what I end up with. So now my oval positioning template is ready to use.
Cool.
One purpose of this die positioning template, it does a couple of different things. One thing it does is show me where to stamp the image or the sentiment onto the correct spot on my card base. So it will show through the overlay panel when we put that on. Here's a prepared card base, and this is for a vertical card. It's a 5.5 by 8.5 inch piece, scored 2 1/8 inch inward on either side, and this is my die positioning template in the vertical position. This would be the horizontal position, this would be the vertical position. So what I do is just center it onto the inner part of the card panel, and this is the part where I would stamp my image through. I could either go ahead and just stamp right through. I could use temporary tape to tape it down so that it doesn't slide around, or if you want, you could use a pencil to lightly trace, set aside, stamp, and then erase the pencil marks. But that is the first purpose of my die positioning template. The second purpose of my die positioning template is to die cut the oval in the overlay panel, which is what hides the flaps. So to do that, I can either again have the position vertically or horizontally, it doesn't matter. I'm going to put the die through from the back side with the ridges facing up. And then this is my card cut, it's my overlay panel cut 3 inches by 5.5 inches. If I wanted to make a horizontal card, then I would use a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 inch overlay. So for my vertical overlay, I'm going to set it on top of the vertical part of the die positioning template, and then I would go ahead and run it through my sandwich plates like this, and that would give me my cutout piece, which will look like this when I'm done.